Hello students. So today we're going to discuss Mathematics Quarter 2, Module 1, Differentiating Linear Inequalities in Two Variables from Linear Equations in Two Variables. Okay, so after going through this module, you are expected to 1. Distinguish the linear inequalities in two variables from linear equations in two variables. 2. Translate mathematical phrases into mathematical statements of linear equations and inequalities in two variables. And 3. Cite real-life situations that can be represented by linear equations and inequalities in two variables. Okay, so let's start. Linear equations and inequalities in two variables. Okay, so I have here different symbols. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal. So I want you to connect or match the symbols to its words. You're going to copy and then match it, and then you're going to take the pictures and then you're going to send it to me. Okay, so you can post the video so that you can answer this activity. Okay, next. Now let's discuss what is inequality. So when we say inequality, this is a mathematical statement where one expression is not equal to another. It uses the symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal. So the previous activity you did, you connect the different mathematical symbols, which is the inequality symbols. So let's compare this with the equation. So when we say equation, this indicates that the value of both mathematical expressions are equal and use the symbol equal sign. So yan lang yung pinagkaiba niya. So pagka inequality, so we have here different symbols. So we have here the less than, the greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and yung not equal na symbols. While for equation, so ang pinaka-clue lang natin is we have the symbol which is the equal sign. Okay, so let's have these different point of differences, linear equations and linear inequality. So when it comes to the standard form of linear equation is ax plus by equals c. So this is the only standard form for linear equation. While for linear inequality, we have 5 standard form. We have ax plus by less than c, ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by greater than or equal to c, ax plus by is not equal to c, and ax plus by less than or equal to c. So, yan lang yung tatandaan nyo. Basta linear inequality, we have the equal sign. And when it is linear inequality, we have 5 inequality symbols used. Okay, so activity time. So I want you to prepare your ball pen and your paper. Okay, this is what you're going to do in this activity 1. So sort me well. This is on page 10 of your module. So the directions is shown below are sets of mathematical statements. So you're going to sort the mathematical statements inside the box by writing it in its proper row as shown in the table. So you're going to write your answer in a separate sheet of paper. So gagawa lang kayo ng dalawang column and then you're going to write kung saan column belong yung mga mathematical statement. So, kanina pinakita ko yung pinagkaiba ng linear inequality and ng linear equation. So, hanapin nyo dito, ito, saan ba to belong? So, sulat nyo siya kung saang column siya na bibilang. So, doon naman sa mga nagkakapag-online and may data, I'm going to send a link kung saan automatic you're going to see the different activities and then doon na din kayo magsasagot. So, dun sa isisend kong link, ang gagawin nyo doon, you're going to drag this mathematical statement. So, i-click nyo yung mathematical statements doon, tapos bubuhatin nyo siya kung saan siya belong. So, later, I'm going to send the link for the activities. Okay, so next, let's proceed to the verbal phrases and its mathematical symbols. For linear equation, so the verbal phrases, ito lang yung dalawang verbal phrases natin. So we have is equal to and equals to. So again, the mathematical symbol is equal sign. While for linear inequality, so marami tayong mga verbal phrases. So we have here is less than, is below, is smaller than. This is for the less than sign. While for greater than is above, is more than. So ito yung mathematical symbol niya. Mathematical symbol is greater than. For this one, so yung may guhit sa ilalim, so with that is less than or equal to, is at most, is not to exceed, is maximum. Then ito naman na greater than na may guhit din sa ilalim, that is read as is greater than or equal to, is at least, is minimum. And this one, this is not equal to. So, karoon tayo ng example. So, for the example, we have here, the sum of a number x and a number y is 24. So, kapag isinulat natin siya in mathematical symbol, that is x plus y equals 24. While for the linear inequality, the sum of a number x and a number y is greater than 24. So, ang symbol na ginamit is greater than. Same with number 2, a number x decreased by y is 24. So, yung ating symbol for linear equation is equal. So, pagka nakita tayo ng word na is, that is usually the equal sign. So, dahil decrease siya, so minus yung ginamit na symbol. So, pagka naman sa linear inequality yan, so we have here less than. So, ito yung symbol na ginamit. Next, for number 3, the sum of twice a number x and thrice a number y is 30. So, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. So, ayun yung is, kaya may equal. Dito naman sa kabila, is at least 30. So, may at least siya, kaya yung ating ginamit na symbol na greater than ay merong sa ilalim. Next is twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y is 30. So, ayan, may is na naman siya. So, equal. So, decrease, so minus yung ginamit natin na sign. So, dito naman ang ating clue for linear inequality is yung word na is at most. So, pagka at most, so kung papapansin nyo, yung word na at least, baliktad siya. Sa halip na less than or equal to yung ginamit na symbol, ang ginamit is greater than or equal to. So, kapag is at most naman, ang gagamitin mo symbol is yung less than or equal to. So, that is for the sample verbal statements and its mathematical symbol. So, yung characteristic naman ng graphs ng linear equation, we have the straight line. And for the linear inequality, we have plane or half plane. So, it's activity time again. So, prepare nyo na yung paper nyo kung hindi nyo kayang magsagot online. So, this is what you're going to do. So, for activity 2, name me. So, this is on page 11. The directions, identify whether the situation represents a linear inequality in two variables or not. Write Li if it is, otherwise write NLI. So, isusulat nyo lang Li kung linear inequality yung situation, or NLI kapag ka naman hindi. So, this is 1, 2, 5. So, answer only Li or NLI. So, you can post this video para masagutan nyo na siya agad-agad. Or, if not naman, you can take the activity afterwards. Yung link na isasend ko, doon nyo makikita din yan. Okay, next is the characteristics of the graph. So, kanina binanggit ko na yung characteristics ng graph ng linear equation is a straight line and a plane or half plane naman sa linear inequality. For straight line, so ito lang siya. So, ang kulang lang dito is kulang siya ng arrowhead. Dapat may arrowhead to. Okay. So, ganyan lang yung sa linear inequality. While for the linear, this is linear equation. This is the linear inequality. So, kung makikita nyo siya, meron pa tayong mga shaded region. Ang tawag natin doon is half plane. Meron tayong broken line. Meron tayong solid line. So, yan yung dalawang example ng graph ng linear inequality. So, in Module 2, we're going to discuss how we're going to graph this linear inequality. Okay. So, for graphical solutions, so meron tayong set of points for linear equation. And for linear inequality, ang tawag natin is region of points bounded by a line. So, sa equation, set of points lang. Sa linear inequality, region of points. And then, meron pa siyang bounded by a line. Next is for the effects of multiplying or dividing the expressions by a negative integer. So, kapag nag-multiply tayo ng negative integer or nag-divide tayo dun sa expression, sa linear equation, walang nababago, not change. While for linear inequality, nare-reverse yung ating symbol. So, for example, yung given natin is greater than, yung final answer mo dapat ay less than. So, ganun sa linear inequality. Okay, so let's have an equation. Example. So, multiplying with a negative integer. So, dito, kung makikita nyo, we have 3x minus 2y equals 6. So, linear equation siya kasi equals yung symbol natin. So, gawin natin itong slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b. Y is equal to mx plus b. So, we're going to isolate negative 2y in the left side. Then, we're going to transpose 3x to the right side. So, that will become negative 3x plus 6. So, para maging y lang itong nasa left side natin. So, we're going to divide all the terms with negative 2. So, cancel natin. That is y is equals to positive 3 over 2x minus 3. So, bakit naging 3 half? So, negative, negative, cancel. This one naman, 6 divided by negative 2, that is negative 3. So, sa linear equation, as is siya, equal lang siya, walang mababago. So, while for linear inequality, pag ginawa natin yun, magbabago tayo ng, sa final answer, babalik na rin natin yung symbol ng inequality. So, this time, pag ganito na yan. So, kung ang given ay ganito, so, ang final answer dapat ay pag ganyan. Okay. So, arrange natin siya. So, isolate natin yung negative 2y, then negative 3x plus 6. So, divide natin by negative 2. So, ang final answer natin ay y is equal to positive 3 over 2x minus 3. So, ang mababago yung inequality symbol natin. So, ito. So, this is the final answer. So, ayan ay pag nag-divide tayo. Ay, teka. Dito pala, multiply pala to. So, balik na rin natin. This one is dividing. Dito tayo ngayon mag-multiply. Okay, so same procedure lang naman din siya. So, ganun pa rin naman yung magiging kalalabasan nito. So, negative 2y, negative 3x plus 6. So, this time, multiply natin siya by negative 1/2. So, para makancel natin ito, so this will become y is equal to, or not equal, that is become less than 3 over 2 x minus 3. So, same pa rin naman siya. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3 divided by 2, kaya naging 3 over 2x. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6 divided by 2, that is negative 3. So, same lang naman siya. Basta ang pinakatatandaan lang, pag nag-multiply tsaka nag-divide ka ng negative integer sa linear inequality, mare-reverse yung symbol niya. Okay? So, activity time again. So, for activity 4, shall I stay or be the other way? So, ang gagawin is, you're going to write the resulting expression after applying the condition specified in each item. So, kamukha lang lang binigay kong example. So, for ito sa number 1, we have here the equal sign. So, kapag equal sign, again, hindi mababago or walang mababago sa equal na symbol. So, pagka naman meron tayong mga inequality symbol, so ito, magbabago yung kanyang mga symbol. Okay, so, kung maaari, I want you to show the solution kung paano siya na-solve. Kasi katmukha nito, meron tayong mga negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. So, kailangan i-rewrite nyo siya as slope-intercept form. So, yung may y equals mx plus b for the linear equation. And then for the linear inequality, so yung mga symbol for linear inequality, ayan. Okay. So, ayan yung mga sasagutan nyo. Okay, then you're going to answer also what I have learned. So, remember me, so you're going to fill in the blank with an appropriate word or phrase. So, answer only. So, number lang kayo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 10. So, you can move the video, you can rewind or move backward the video para makita nyo yung mga terms na meron na isasagot nyo dito. Na-discuss yun lahat. And then, the assessment, so 1 to 15. Okay, so that's it for Module 1 for Quarter 2. So again, yung mga activities, you can move the video backward or you can click the link that I will send to your group chat. So pwede na nung magsagot directly. So that's it. Thank you for listening.